welcome to our channel.
I'm making a pie.
Me and Stanley are going to try and make a pie for the first time, aren't we? We are cheating. We have got ready-made pastry. That's an onion.
Onion and what's that?
Yeah, right. Do you want to show everyone what we've got?
Yeah.
Go on then.
What's that?
Peas.
Peas.
Yep. What's that?
I don't know.
Onion.
Peas and onions.
What's that?
I don't know.
It's a stock cube.
So cute.
Yeah. And then what's that?
This.
Beef.
Beef.
Say salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Gravy.
Gravy.
And our pastry, because we're cheating.
And a pastry.
Yeah, our pastry. Now we're going to cheat. We're having this with mashed potatoes that we've got to make as well, Stanley. Yeah, in there.
Pastry don't make the sauce.
Oh, no, you're right. And the onion up for us because we're wimps. You can cut it up small, I can't. What are you doing? Don't open that yet. No, hang on.
Why
Leave that
not?
there. Should we put the peas in the microwave?
This in the microwave.
Yeah.
And this in there.
I'll just save our hob. That will be cleaned after. Put salt and pepper on the beef. We're now going to pour it in. What are you giving it that look for? Blech. That look nice. Going in. Take that.
I think you're making it pie.
Yeah, we'll get out of the way then. Put in the OXO cubes. And then I pour the peas in.
Yeah, not all the water.
Not all the water though.
I thought
How do I get the peas out?
with a spoon.
A spoon. My spoon is too big. Peas are in. Stanley, you've gone missing. You've gone missing.
Chop that. What?
See what you took.
Here's the pastry I made earlier.
And then
What, Gracie?
Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh,
he took about
so I've been told that I need to do this. Right, but slight problem.
Well,
We got two.
we got another roll.
That I made it.
Yeah, we got another lot what you already pre-made. We'll get rid of that box. There we go. We can see it now.
The words out for our pie. Is that nearly ready, David?
Huh?
Is that nearly ready?
No. We'll just simmer a little bit.
Oh. The gravy and some carrots, and we're now going to pour it into the pie.
Don't add gravy, it's the juices from the meat.
Oh, do you just sprinkle the things in then?
Yeah.
Oh, well, there you go then.
Like your t-shirt, Jenna.
Thanks. You can turn off now until I go on to,
Oh, it's all steamed. Oh, it's steamed up.
go on to the next bit.
Steamed up, Jenna. Well, yeah, just to make a little vent so steam can escape. There we go. Then put your letters on. What do you want to do? Your egg wash first.
You're confusing me. What happened? My pie. We put a bit too much egg wash on it, but it's now going to go in the oven. Here is my pie. Oh, you can't see help. You can't see help.
Oh, you can, just not on the camera, obviously.
don't think I'll go there. I'll do this one-handed. And I put my gravy in. Nearly all gone. And this is our final pie. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.